Hi, I'm David of the Brewer Report, and today we're going to go ahead and put together our 3-bean soup, which will last up to 3 days. And we're going to start with the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. The pot is already heating. Now we have a big pot, and we're going to put in the onions so that we can caramelize the onions. And then we're going to put in the garlic, and we're going to start to caramelize that. And we're going to stir that up a little bit, get that moving in the right direction. As you saw, we had about a half an onion. And we're going to make sure we're going to turn the heat down just a little bit so the garlic doesn't burn. And now we're going to start to add the vegetable broth. Now keep in mind, we have a large pot. All right, got that steam going. I love it. We're going to put the steam in the vegetable broth in here, and then we will start to add the other ingredients. Now next, we're going to add the kale. It's about 2 cups of kale. Now kale cooks down, so we'll start to mix that in. As you can see, it's in there. We put the kale in because the kale cooks down. That's 2 cups of kale. Now if you have a smaller pot, you will use 1 cup of kale. We have a big pot, so everything that we give you now is based on our very large pot. Then we will add the purple cabbage. And we'll stir that in. Now, let's start seasoning this baby. So we're going to add some smoked paprika. Good generous amount of smoked paprika. We're going to add some black pepper. We're going to mix that in there so that that starts to get into the broth, because we want that broth good and seasoned. And now we're going to add the flax seeds. We're going to add a tablespoon of flax seeds. Good heaping tablespoon of flax seeds. Stir it. Okay, we're going to add some. We're going to start with a tablespoon of the mushroom pigment. We may add more later based on the taste. And we're going to stir that in. We have it kind of boiling at about a 6 or 5 on the scale here. Now, we're going to start to add the beans. Now, here's the real key with the beans. We have 1 cup of beans. If you have a smaller pot, you're going to use a half a cup of beans. But we're going to add the soybeans. Now we're going to add the black beans, 1 cup. Now we're going to add the garbanzo beans. And then we'll add the lentils. Now these are the highest nutrient beans. The black beans are the highest antioxidant beans because of the anthocyanins in them, or the antioxidants. The black soybeans are very good for people who may be concerned about cancer, because soy, as we have published in our shorts and in our brew report, soy is extremely good for cancer. Now we will put in the black rice. Now, the reason we're putting black rice and rice in this particular recipe is because rice plus beans equals a complete protein. And again, if you cannot get black rice, then you will use brown rice. And we're going to stir that in. Now, we're going to add some turmeric. We're going to add a big heaping teaspoon of turmeric, because turmeric is good for not only for fighting cancer and cardiovascular, but it's also good for brain health. So we're going to add some turmeric. We add a teaspoon of turmeric, and we're going to stir that in. And there you have it. And this, if you use a big pot like we're using right here, this bean soup will last you for 3 days. Now we're going to let it simmer for at least 30 minutes. Cover and simmer for at least 30 minutes. And then it should be settled, and we will come back and taste it just to see if we need to add any more mushroom seasoning. Okay, it's been simmering now for about 30 minutes, so we're going to do a little bit of taste to see if we need to add a little bit more seasoning. The longer you let it simmer, the more the seasoning settles in. Just about right. We may add just a little bit more mushroom seasoning. And we'll let it simmer for about another 15 minutes. So about 45 minutes, and you'll notice that it's thickening. That's the beans, basically putting a little bit of fiber into this soup. Remember, fiber is king and queen, and people who eat beans live 3 to 5 years longer if you eat beans at least 2 or 3 times a week. So we let it simmer for another 15 minutes. Okay, we're getting ready to eat our soup. As you can see, it is thick. We'll pour it into our small bowls.
All right, y'all. So we are going to do our taste test.
We're going to do our taste test with.
Oh yeah.
Healthy.
It's real hearty.
Hearty. Tastes great.
Good seasonings.
Good seasoning. Get the beans and the cabbage and the onions and the kale. It is off the chain.
Yes.
And it's off the chain healthy.
Yes, it's a 4-bean soup, and as you saw, my dad put mushroom seasoning in it. And some of you may be wondering, why not put some salt? Well, the mushroom seasoning actually has salt in it, so you don't want to over salt this, especially for those of you who may be dealing with high blood pressure, things like that. And it's seasoned perfectly. You didn't need the salt. So that mushroom seasoning, it really enhances the flavor. So definitely try this soup, you guys. It's really good. All right. Peace.
Peace.